next to mine, but you don't call me anymore. I said I promise that I'm not those other guys, but you don't love me anymore. There's nobody answering the door, but I don't wanna give up, but I gotta go, cause these other women just won't walk away, cause these other women, they ain't trying to play, cause they need a guy. I'm sorry ladies, I know what I want, I need my girl. So maybe baby I'll just knock again, I miss you girl. So maybe baby you just let me love your body when you're standing next to mine, but you don't call me anymore. I said I promise that I'm not those other guys, but you don't love me anymore. Called your phone. The lady said leave a message at the tone, so I called you home. Your mama said that you had to go, so I took a drive. Turn the corner and that's where I seen the strangest thing. You're holding hands, kissing up on a nigga who wasn't me. I'm not sure what to ask, but baby, what should I think? Baby, what should I do?
I don't know.
Problem is, I love your body, standing next to mine, but you don't call me anymore. I said I promise that I'm not those other guys, but you don't love me anymore. I love your body.
Okay, so you'll walk into my closet, and this is like the back of my closet. Then it's this size with all the clothes. I'm gonna show you that later. I added some shoe racks up there. This is like where I have my little storage bins for different stuff. I'll show y'all that later. Storage bins, storage, towels. I have to like organize that stuff. That's some stuff that I got today at the farmer's market. And yeah, I need to organize this stuff. Now, I try not to be crazy. But I've been slowly phasing out these gray and white hangers. Anyway, gotta get rid of the white hangers, have to get rid of the gray hangers, keeping the black hangers, got extra black hangers, even though I'm about to get rid of some clothes. Oh shit. Okay, so now we're in my closet, right? Boom, we closed in. Let me let y'all see the girl. So what was I talking about? Oh, let me close the closet. Back to where I was. Alright, so I never really close my closet, but because I have this little hook up there, it will not close. It drives me insane. But so up here, in the straight, up here I have like a couple of towels, one of my robes, more towels here. I'm obsessed with these little bins that I get from Walmart. I don't think I'll have enough space for two. I'll probably just put one and then space them out a bit. And then up here I added two of those little 3x2 things you can get from Walmart, but I didn't put the top piece on it so it can fit in my closet. Okay, so this is like all of my shoes and stuff, and then from here it's like pants and shorts and stuff over to white, and then like shirts and dresses and stuff from black to like different colors all the way to white. And then I have like a few long jackets and stuff over here that I have to keep up here because they can't go down here with my other jackets. It's some nice pieces in there that I need to give away. I might give away a few pair of shoes too. The big bang is gonna be giving some of this stuff away. I'm really sad about it. Hey babes, so this is taking entirely too long. Like at this point it's been like 3 days, and it shouldn't take this long, but I'm a little by little person just because I don't like to rush into stuff. That sounded good, but to be honest, I just had a lot of stuff to do, and this was not at the top of that list. So, but that doesn't mean it's not important. That does not mean she is any less important. She is kind, she is smart, and she is important. So, let me catch you guys up. So the last thing I did was I went through my like underwear and my socks and stuff and created two piles. Now I didn't want to record that part just because I felt like, so one pile is like the stuff that I can like sell or like donate and somebody might want it, and then the other pile is like stuff that I'm gonna donate but don't nobody want that, not even me. So what else do we need to do? I keep looking down here, I feel like there's something. Okay, yes, so we need to swap out these unsightly hangers because I'm going with the all black situation. Like I'm committed. All black and a little bit of chrome because of my pants hangers, but for the most, you know, it just looks more uniform. So I'm about to go through and get rid of these, and then after that we're gonna finally go through the clothes and figure out what clothes we're just giving away, what clothes we're gonna try to sell, and what I just can't let go of. Mind your business. I could have got rid of these a long time ago. So we're gonna just get rid of these boots and put these in the, let's get like some color coordination situation going on. So originally I wanted to like bring some of these items up to like the top and kind of utilize this space more, but for some reason having this empty makes my closet look so much bigger. So this denim jacket is cropped, it's from Forever 21, and it has pearls on it. She's too cute for me to treat her that way. Matter of fact, I'll bring them up to the top so you guys can see me and the clothes, because this will be so boring to watch unless you like really like clothes and you love me more. You know you do. Okay, so first thing first, this jacket, super cute, can't get rid of it. I really like just got it. I want to say I got this when I was in LA. This is like a New York and Company like standard denim jacket. Like this is like if I have like a hoochie outfit on and I want to like make it like hoe but casual, you could throw this on. Or if you like literally like have on a t-shirt and some leggings, this will make it look like you actually care about life. So we're gonna keep her. I got this at Fashion Nova in LA when I went with my best friend. Love this jacket, can't live without this jacket, especially since it's about to be fall, so gotta keep her. This jacket is a d.i.y like coat. It's relatively thick, it has lots of pockets. I keep my little leather gloves in here. If I'm wearing this jacket, it's cold. Yeah, I love this jacket. I'm definitely not giving this jacket away. Oh, so I'm thinking of going from white to black since it's so much black. Boom. So these are the jackets. They look a little bit better because they're like more in order, I guess. Yeah, that looks a lot nicer. And then I'm going to just move these back down to the bottom and then we can hit up the other side. Okay, so for the moment that I'm low-key scared about, I'm gonna go through this stuff. Now I don't have a super lot of clothes. Like this is literally all, like I hang up everything. So this is all the clothes that I have other than like a few pairs of leggings and like underwear and stuff. So I have to go through this and I have to be realistic with myself about what I wear, one, what I need, two, and what the things that I have to give away are worth and whether or not I should sell them or try to like do something with them or just get rid of them and take them to the Goodwill and call it a day. So I tend to be very emotional about like my stuff, so we'll see how this goes, but I did really well with the other stuff, so I think I'll be all right. I think I got this thing. All right, so we're gonna start off down here. These two are my favorite trenches. This one came from Fashion Nova. It also came with like these really cute pants, and I put that in one of my lookbook videos. This one is London Fog. Don't know what that is, but I thrifted it and it's super cute. I have these two pieces. This is a two-piece swimsuit from Fashion Nova that I was supposed to do like a photo shoot in and never did it, so I can't give this away yet. But after I do the shoot, quite frankly, I might give it away. And then this is like this really cute like one-piece situation that makes me look so thick. She ain't going nowhere. Okay. I wore this dress in Mexico. I'm gonna come back to it. Okay. This is not gonna go well. Can't get rid of that. This shirt is really cute. It's like a sheer top with this little like tie situation. Yeah, I can go ahead and get rid of this. A long summer dress. Need that. Basic tee. Ooh. This shirt from the line. Why is hair on everything? This shirt from the line by Kay. I'll insert a picture because it's like a wrap top and you can wear it different ways. But this shirt is so banging. Mad basic, and I never wear this, so I'm going to give this away. I didn't even know I had that. This light blue latex dress. I wore it in LA. Gotta keep it. Okay. I customized this denim dress a while ago. I took pictures in it. So I found this dress at Forever 21 this summer, and I bought it in, which one did I get first? I bought it in this color first, and then I went back and got this color. Gotta keep these. I love this, like this style. I could wear it with like some type of skirt in the fall, or I could wear it maybe like as a shirt. But it's also a really cute dress, so yeah, that's a definitely keeper. Definitely gotta keep her. And this is like a really cute satiny blouse from Topshop. I love this blouse. It's really cute for like happy hours and stuff, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. Random hanger. My little Obey crop top. I work out in this. A lot of little crop tops and t-shirt stuff I'm keeping. If it's like a little crop top or something, I typically work out in it. Or if it's like a t-shirt, I sleep in it. I love sleeping in t-shirts. Like, I either sleep in like a basic little cap. Satin is just one of my favorite. This dress I got from LA, either Fashion Nova or Forever 21. Fashion Nova. And it reminds me of the one that SZA wore to the VMAs, but hers was pink. So I'm definitely going to keep this because SZA wore it. Who am I to throw it away? This little dress, it looks like a top, but the straps are so long that this is all booby right here. And then like it's actually like a dress length. I love this. I typically wear it with shorts. It's like a little tunic situation, but it looks really, really pretty. And I love like the vibe of it. So I'm definitely not getting rid of this. I had this on in my Wild Thoughts video, and I haven't worn it since, but I think I'm going to keep it just because I might wear this at least for pictures or something. Like, this is something that's really, really different that I like to just keep around because you never know if you'll need this. No one needs it, but you never know if I want to wear it one day. So I'll just keep it at least for a second. We are almost done. Okay. Love this kimono style dress. Can't live without it, so I'm going to keep her. This like button up bodysuit. Love it. Can't live without it. Sweater. Can't live without it. Simple top. Can't live without it. This jumper is not flattering on my shape because it's too loose up here and too tight down here, so it kind of just gives me like this minor situation, like I look like I'm about to mine coal or something. It's not cute on me. Or like a classic jail outfit. It's not cute on me, so I'm going to put her in the sale thing. Okay, so for a little recap, we're going to sell these Forever 21 jeans, Fashion Nova high-waisted jeans, a simple black t-shirt. No, this isn't a giveaway, pal. I'm happy we're doing this. This jumper. Whew. This dress. this like jumper situation, a summer dress, halter top slit dress, this denim dress that I customized, a Old Navy little dress, the furry sheer top. Ooh, if they don't buy this, I'm bringing this back home because I actually like this shirt. I don't know why I put this in this pile, but before I can regret it, I'm gonna just take it up there.